Hello guys, welcome to my channel Smart Money Square, a channel for a trader by a trader. Now again I come back to you to introduce a new tool which is uh, useful for swing trading. So take an advantages of every stock, swing down, swing low, whatever it may be, we need to catch that one. So for that one we are going to introduce a new tool. So before that one, welcome to my channel and go to YouTube here, Smart Money Square, and subscribe here. This is our Telegram channel. Go to here to get that sheet. Now we are going to Swing Trading System version 2.1. So we need to do nothing. Just need to open the this Google sheet, and we'll find all over the summary here in main sheet. Means Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all are Nifty 50 stocks. It takes all the EOD data and analyze the every swing and gives buy or sell signal. If it is already in a buy mode, it shows hold buy hold. And if it is already in sell mode, it shows sell hold. So here you will find all the status and summary of the Nifty 50 stocks. Okay. In the same way, here we will find fresh buy signal here and fresh sell signal for today data. Of course, it's a disclaimer that we are not a tips provider and not registered with SEBI. So don't take it as advice. Just it's a testing tool. In index channel, index page, we will find Nifty and Bank Nifty's current status of what to do. And here in 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50 means we divided in 50 stocks in 5 pages, and each page includes 10 stocks. Here you will find everything of current status of the every stock. If you take example Adani, you will see since 1 year. Since 1 year, you can backtest here. Means I am going see here June 21, it has given sell signal. From that hold, then it's reversed here. Then continuous sell here, buy, sell, whatever. You can see the close price here. See, means if it is correct or not and giving good signal or not, we got a profit or not. You can check the here. Means you can backtest here. In same way, you can see the all the stocks backtest data here. In 11 to 20 also you have data 20, 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. You will find every Nifty 50 stock data here, and daily you need to come here and just check the fresh buy signal and sell signal and take any your favorite stock, do your add means add any indicator or any analysis, just check one more time if it is confirmed or not, then go ahead. If you want to get this sheet, just go to this channel OIA tool discussion group, then request for sheet. Thank you.